this tutorial, we will be going over the steps on advanced patient search and patient data correction. These steps would be necessary if your Apteryx software is not bridged or integrated with your practice management software, or if you have patient records that have been converted from a previous system that don't match the patient records within Apteryx. So first we'll click View Images. We'll verify that this is the correct patient that we're looking for, but we know that there's some historical information that isn't showing at this point. The first thing we'll do is remove the patient ID and query for images again. This will bring up all the patients that have matching names and birth dates and gender. If we still haven't found the correct historical patient information, we can go in and remove fields such as gender, birth date, first and last name. We can also narrow down study dates if we know a particular date that the study was taken. Once we've found the correct patient records that need to be combined, we simply select each patient by clicking on the name and then holding the control button on our keyboard and clicking the secondary name. From here, we're going to click the Data Correction button. The system will inform us that all the images need to be downloaded prior to combining the information, so we click Yes. Once the patient data correction screen is up, we'll then make sure all the patient information is accurate. If we do need to change the patient ID to properly mirror the patient ID in the practice management, this is where we would do that. Any other information that needs to be adjusted would be done so here. We'll then click OK. This will update both patient records, and you'll see that the patient ID has changed to this item changed. From here, we have one last thing to do to finalize the changes. We're going to click Go Back. Then we will click Forward Images. This will push those images and combine those two records back to your database. We've now completed all the steps necessary for a patient data correction and combining two records.